Welcome back again, and this is Crypto Bin 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading, and investment in general. And this is Crypto Update, where we're just going to take a look at the coins and the market cap and what we should be expecting, talking about the news in the nearest future throughout the week. And first of all, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you might want to hit the subscribe button and like. Don't forget to share the video as well, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the greatness that are happening on this platform. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, and now let's go straight into the market and see what is going on. We all know last year we were battling with a market cap between 800 billion to 900 billion throughout, from almost the end of the year, let's say 6 months or quarter to end of the year. We saw that we were just between 800 billion, 850 billion, then we'll come down to 800 billion again. We at a point we crossed about 900 billion, then we came back to it. So let's check out what is going on in the market for the first time in 2023, and we can see right now the market cap is sitting at 819 billion US dollars, and the trading volume is about 30 billion. That is so small regarding to what we saw last year. But because we know a lot of companies, a lot of institutions went on holiday, we had the first trading session happened yesterday, you understand. So definitely things will just start picking up gradually, so we can't expect to see so much volume in the market. And if we check the sister site as well, we can see it's 850 billion and 38 billion traded in the last 24 hours. So the correlation is still correct. We see around 30 billion traded in the last 24 hours. And what is the dominance in the market? BTC is still sitting at 39.6, ETH at 18.7%, and also over here it's at 8% and 17.6%. So let's check out what is even going on, what is trending regarding the cryptocurrencies. We can see Solana has been trending because it appreciated about 16.6% in the last 24 hours, and also Bitcoin is trending. Polygon is trending, talking about Matic, and we can see right here Bitcoin is trading at 16,872 right now, and ETH is trading at 1,250. Polygon is trading at 0.80. I think Polygon has come down a bit, and if we're gonna see another bull run coming on, I think this is the right time to acquire Polygon, because I remember Polygon was up to like 40 something at some point, but now you can see where it is. I'm talking about Matic, and Litecoin is down to $76, Polkadot at $4, Solana now at $14, raising from around $9 to $11. Shiba Inu still on discount, 0.00008, and you can see Uniswap, we can see Monero is at 150, and the list goes on. And that's that on the crypto. And let's check out some NFT stats so you can know what is going on with others. So we can see Bot API is still sitting at number 1, CryptoPunk at number 2, Mutant Ape at number 4, and Bot Ape Kennel Club at number 9, and Fluff World still at number 10. Basically, all these things I'm seeing at top 10 still remain what has been on top 10. Though Doodle is not there again, Azuki is still there, and some other guys have found their way straight to top 10. And we all know last year NFT fell off almost 99.9%, and it's so risky, so you need to make sure you do your own research before you get your money on it. So now with the crypto update won't be up to date if we do not check what is going to come up regarding what might affect the market, and which is the calendar. We can see right here that we'll be expecting the first ISM manufacturing PMI and JOLT job opening coming up today around 5 p.m. and FOMC meeting for the first time will be coming up at 9 p.m. SAT time, that's South African time today. And also tomorrow we'll be seeing the ADP non-farm employment change. And you know, first Friday of every month, and this is the first Friday of the week, the first Friday of the year, the first Friday of the month, and we'll be expecting the non-farm payroll what's it called? Non-farm payroll coming up on Friday, and we'll be expecting the employment change, the unemployment rates, the ISM service PMI, and that is very important because the first time in the year there's always, I don't know, but for the past, from the experience, the market always move one direction. So if you're the guy that trade fundamentals, the first quarter of the year is good for trading fundamentals because the market always move the same direction. So when you do all those cheat code things, you can win. I'm not saying you should do that. It's not financial advice, but it's just what I've studied for some times. And for you to get a chart analysis to know what is going on in the crypto space, you might just want to go down to the Discord channel to subscribe to the Discord channel and the Telegram channel. It's for free, guys, and we'll be dropping the chart analysis for you so you can take some trades for yourself and make some money for yourself. So what is the fear and greed looking at? Talking about the crypto update, we can see that the fear and greed is sitting at 29. So I think we're still around the same area or the same zone since last year. It's been from 23 to 30, 23 to 29. It's been going back and forth, and I believe it's because of where the market is sitting at. We can see when you look at the market from a higher time frame, see the red zone here and red zone. It's been between 18,500 today's 15,500. The market has been moving up and down within that zone. We are going to break it or we're going to break lower. How do you get to know that? You need to subscribe to our Discord channel where we give you the juicy and the most top-notch chart analysis. It's for free, guys. Go there and subscribe now. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification so you can be part of what is happening on this great platform. So that's what I have for you today regarding the crypto update. Please stick around until I bring you another one next time. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim. Please stay out of trouble, be safe, and trade carefully, and you're going to win this year, or we are going to win this year. Like we call it WADMI, we are going to win. So we are going to win this year by the grace of God. So that's what I have for you. I'll catch you on another video or next time. Peace.